guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be using just one ingredient to take care of hyperpigmentation and acne. Hyperpigmentation marks, black spots, dark marks, whatever you might call it, acne residue, acne itself, and we need just aloe vera. This is the aloe vera plant in the organic form. You can either use this one or the one sold in stores. So this is the plant that grows, and I just cut it out in order to get the aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is very effective in treating dark marks, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, because it has a constituent in aloe vera called aloin. Aloin is a compound that is naturally found in the aloe vera gel. It helps to depigment your skin. It's like an agent that helps to lighten dark areas on the skin, so that is why it is very effective. And what do I do to get out this gel? I'm just going to use my knife to cut this layer off. That's it. I have the gel here. This is all what I need, and I can also use it in this form. So let's go to my face and see how I'm going to be applying this. So I've got my gel here. I cut off that tiny gel, and I have the aloe plant here too. It's very simple. You just need to cut it. Just cut the layer off and apply it on your face. So I'm just going to apply it like so all over my face. Where I have all my dark marks, I'll apply it there. Apply it all over the face basically. And I'm just going to rub it in circular motions all over my face. Aloe vera is very good. It fights acne, the hyperpigmentation, the dark marks, the dark spots, because of that compound, like I said, that is in it. So if you have hyperpigmentation, you have dark marks, you don't even need to do too much. Just get your aloe vera, basically cut it and apply it on your face like so. So this way I've applied it all over my face, and this will help to combat all the problematic areas of my face. I will leave this on my face for 20 minutes, let it dry out completely. So when it's dried out completely, just wash your face off with cold water to help to tighten your pores further. When you now do this, you apply your light moisturizer. I like using either olive oil or almond oil to moisturize my face so that it's well moisturized. Even if you've got oily skin, you don't need to stay away from oily products. You still need a little bit of oil on your face, because if your face is too dry, it's going to break out trying to like secrete oil on its own. So try to use some moisturizer. Make sure you use some moisturizer for your face so that it doesn't dry out too much, because when it's too dry, it's also going to give you some issues. So this is the video. This is how you can use aloe vera to combat acne spots, dark marks, hyperpigmentation, and any other thing that you want to combat on your skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, kindly thumbs up, and don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Just stay beautiful. Bye.